Hello, welcome to this training on use of tools and equipment. By the end of this training, you will be able to effectively use the tools and equipment while performing manicure and pedicure.
Tools, equipments, machines. Client chair, manicure stool, manicure table, manicure tray, manicure bowl, infrared lamp, hot plate, medium size bowl, electric manicure kit, orange wood stick, emery board, magnifying glass, cuticle pusher, cuticle clipper, nail brush, nail scissors, nail buffer, spatula, UV LED lamp. Materials: nail varnish remover, cuticle oil or cream, whitening pencil, nail varnish, cuticle remover, nail bleachers, nail strengthener, hand lotion and cream, top coat, base coat, liquid hand wash, H2O2, manicure shampoo, cotton, vegetable oil, sea salt, antiseptic solution, scrub, pack.
Let's now look at the manicuring tools. Nail files are made from different types of material and come in different grit levels. The grit level states the coarseness or thickness of the file. Never use a coarse file on thin, weak nails. The rule is start with a finger grit if uncertain about the condition of the nail. Double-sided emery board is ideal as it is not too bulky and has a fine and coarse side. Emery board, which is a disposable file, is not for the professional use, but nowadays some clients prefer them. Crystal file is ideal for fragile nails. It has the highest grit number, making it very fine. It may be too fine for strong, thick nails. It is more expensive but lasts a long time. Metal file is a type of file that must be avoided. It is very hard on nails and causes damage to the nail if not used properly. Cuticle knife has a straight cutting edge, is sharp and must be used with care. It is used to remove cuticles or built up dead skin on the nail plate. Cuticle nipper is used to trim or cut excess cuticles at the base of the nail. They are also used to remove hangnails. Cuticle pusher is used to loosen and push back cuticles around the nail. Nail clippers are used to shorten nails. Clipping nails will reduce the filing time. A large clipper is used for clipping toenails. Orange wood stick is a disposable stick used to loosen the cuticle around the base of the nail or to clean under the free edge. You can use a cuticle pusher as an alternative. Nail brush is used to clean under and around the nails with the aid of warm water and soap. Let's see a video of how you can beautify a client's nail using the manicure tools discussed above. There are three types of nail buffers used. They are chamois buffer, block buffer, and 3 to 4 sided buffer. Chamois buffer is covered with chamois or leather used with a buffing paste or powder to polish the nails to a high sheen. Block buffer is a 4-sided block which has all rough sides. It is used directly on the nail plate to smooth corrugated lines or to reduce thickness of the nail plate. In 3 to 4 sided buffer, the coarse sides of the buffer are used to eliminate ridges and smooth the nail surface, ready for the application of the nail polish. The finer sides are used to polish the nails and create natural looking shine. Tweezers used to pick up silk when repairing the nail. Finger bowl is used with warm soapy water and antiseptic to soak nails during a manicure treatment. Finger separators are used to separate fingers while painting. Manicure mittens are usually used following the application of hand or massage cream. The hands are dipped in paraffin wax and wrapped with a cling film or plastic, placed inside a plastic pocket and place them into mittens. Electrical mittens or heated gloves are also used for the same purpose during paraffin wax treatment. Nail dryer is an electric apparatus used to dry nail polish faster. Paper towels are used to line the area on which you set up products. Cotton towels are used to rest clients' hands during manicure and for drying hands. Sanitizer for tools with a disinfecting solution is used to place tools during the manicure. Lamp lighting is essential to enable manicurists to identify minute details that will indicate the condition of the nail and cuticle and to carry. Client chair is a chair where client will be seated comfortably. Manicure stool is a stool on which manicurist can sit while doing the treatment. Manicure table is a place where all the products and tools be laid out for smooth operation. Manicure tray is used to carry products and tools. Now that you now know the various tools and equipment used while performing manicure and pedicure, you should be able to use them. Thank you.